निष्काम भक्ति का जो है वो यहाँ पर प्रदर्शन किया है। बेर का पेड़ बनाया है। रामायण की कथा के अनुसार शबरी जो एक बहुत ही निष्काम भक्त थी भगवान श्री राम की, उन्होंने उनके वनवास के दौरान अपनी मातृत्व से और अपनी एक माता के जैसी भक्ति से बोर जो है वो चख चख कर भगवान श्री राम को चढ़ाए थे। और वही भक्ति को, वही प्रेम को हमने यहाँ पर इस अन्नकूट के द्वारा प्रदर्शित किया है। आगे आने वाले हर एक खंडों में आपको जो है वो मेरी साथी परी लेकर जाएगी। परी, over to you.
As we move forward, the Shiv Parivar, the theme over here is the Bilva tree, and the Bili Patra is the most sacred to Shiv Bhagwan. Even just worshipping a Bilva tree grants the merits of worshipping Shiv Bhagwan. The Bilva tree has 3 leaflets representing the Trishul, the holy divine trinity of Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. And also, as we can see, that the Shivling has been beautifully carved out of a watermelon. And the mountains of food basically act as a token of offering of our gratitude and hope, and wishing that the next year is a really, really prosperous and a blessed year ahead. Moving forward, we have Lord Jagannath. And now, as we all know, that Kalpavruksha is known as the wish-fulfilling tree, and Bhagwan Jagannath is revered as the living Kalpavruksha. And as we all know that he resides in Puri, and Puri is known as Kalpavruksha on earth. He is known to be fulfilling the wishes of his devotees, and even he's known to be fulfilling the wishes of his devotees, and that's why a lot of devotees also plant a parijat as a form of Kalpavruksha. Here in front of me, we have His Holiness Shastriji Maharaj, who was the guru of His Holiness Pramukh Swami Maharaj, and he is also the founder of the BAPS Swaminarayan Sanstha. And this Maha Ankut is offered to him as a token of being thankful to him for this mandir and for this Sanstha. Moving forward, we have Radha Krishna, and as we all know, as you can see beneath me by the decorations over here, these are kadambas, and they are known as orange blossoms. And his entire childhood in Vrindavan was spent under these trees. He did Ras Leela with his gopis over there under these trees, and he basically spent time playing his flute under the Kadamba trees as well. And you can see the wonderful decorations in front of me as well. I would like you to notice one more thing, which is the Ferrari world, a very, very amazing attraction here in UAE, and that has also been represented in the Maha Annakut. And now we'll be moving forward back to Karuna.
So, जिस तरह से आपने देखा कि किस तरह से भारत की भव्य और अभव्य विरासत को, आध्यात्मिक विरासत को और संस्कृति को हमने यहाँ पर कितनी सुंदर तरीके से एक अन्नकूट के द्वारा दर्शाया है। ये सभी जो आपने अन्नकूट के दर्शन किए हैं, जितने लोग हमें यहाँ पर इस यूएई से हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं, हम अभी भी आपसे कहना चाहते हैं कि देर नहीं हुई है, रजिस्टर कीजिए और प्लीज़ अपने परिवार के साथ, अपने दोस्तों के साथ यहाँ पर अपने ही BAPS हिंदू मंदिर में दिवाली और अन्नकूट के महोत्सव को मनाने के लिए आइए।
Absolutely. Please do register and come and enjoy the community spirit over here. We're very, very ready to welcome you, your family, your loved ones here at the BAPS Hindu Mandir. And we're also very excited to be joining you on this 2-day journey of the Diwali and Maha Ankut celebrations here at the BAPS Hindu Mandir.
बिल्कुल, और हमारे साथ जो पूरी दुनिया से जुड़ रहे हैं इस इंस्टाग्राम लाइव पर, हम उनसे भी कहना चाहते हैं कि आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए। हम हर थोड़ी देर में आपके लिए जो है यहाँ से अबू धाबी से लाइव अपडेट्स लेकर आएंगे। सो प्लीज़ स्टे ट्यून्ड। Thank you.
Thank you.